Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your SSD form factor, so you pick the correct Ugreen Enclosure model. Once done, ground yourself with an anti-static wrist strap and shut down the host device to avoid damage. Remove any existing drive from your laptop if necessary, and lay out a small Phillips screwdriver and USB-C cable within reach. Now open the enclosure carefully, slide or unscrew the housing, so the internal connector and screws are exposed and ready for the SSD. Next, you align the SSD's gold contacts with the enclosure's connector. This is critical to prevent misalignment. Once aligned, press the drive straight in until you feel it seat fully, and if your enclosure uses a spacer or standoff, position it before tightening. Secure the SSD with the supplied screw. Using gentle, even force, over-torquing can crack plastic or threads. Make sure cables inside aren't pinched and verify the drive sits flush. These steps ensure reliable electrical contact and cooling. To finish, reassemble the enclosure and tighten the external screws so the shell is secure and aligned. Then connect the USB-C cable to a high-speed port on your computer, USB 3, 1 or 3, 2 for best performance and power on the host. In your operating system, initialize, partition, and format the SSD if it's new. Verify, mount, and transfer a test file to confirm throughput. If the drive isn't recognized, check cable port. And seating first. Reseat the SSD and swap the cable to rule out simple fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.